Malta ġabet 1128 miljun euro mill-Unjoni Ewropea grazzi għal ħiliet kbar li għandu l-Prim Ministru Lorenz Gonzi bħala negozjatur u minn dawn il-miljuni nemmen li se jgawdu l-familji kollha Maltin u Għawċin. Ekstqar ma dan l-istazzjon l-Europarlamentari Philip Bradburn illi f'dawn il-jiem kien f'pajjiżna fejn attenda wkoll l-uħud mill-attivitajiet organizzati mill-Partit Nazzjonista f'din il-kampanja elettorali.
The fact that Malta has managed to get out of the budget, the 7-year budget programme, a package of over €1 billion has got to be tribute to the way in which the skill in which the Prime Minister has negotiated with his colleagues from the other 26 member states.
L-Europarlamentar Ingliż jitkellem ma' dan l-istazzjon dwar dak li huwa ddeskriva bħala s-suċċess ekonomiku ta' Malta f'nofs maltem finanzjarju enormi fejn pajjiżna ħareġ bl-unuri.
The sound financial policies that the Maltese government have put in place have actually allowed it to ride the high tides, as it were, of the problems which other countries, because they haven't had that financial discipline to tackle spending and the deficit, probably haven't been as successful in managing.
Philip Bradburn ilu sa misħubija ta' Malta fl-Unjoni Ewropea jaħdem mill-qrib mal-MPs Maltin Simon Busuttil u David Casa.